Hi, so today we're going to talk about something very unique. Not unique as a unique person, but we'll talk about a unique practice. So it's kind of a spiritual practice. Yeah, just notice what I'm doing. So you'll start with your hands on top of each other, overlapping. For girls, the right hand should be up, and then you should touch your thumbs, and then after a while you'll just move upward and then stretch your arms, and then you'll come down slowly, and then again you'll move up, and then you'll press your hands together. After this, you'll just make this posture where you're stretching this arm further, yeah, and then again you'll come and you'll just join your hands together. Then again, the similar kind of posture where one hand will go here and the other one will go right up here. Stretch it, and then you'll come again here and fold your hands together. Then you'll stretch your arms like this, yeah, stretch it, and then you'll again come, join your hands together, yeah. Then the other posture is you'll go right, no, you'll go like this, and then you'll again come and you'll fold your hand together. Then you'll stretch your hands like this, and then again you'll come, join your hands together, and then you'll move your hands at the back and stretch it, and then again you'll come and join your hands, yeah, and then like this, stretch your hands like this, and then again you'll come and join your hands together, yeah, and then you'll overlap hands for a while, and again the same overlapping of hands. When I've started this unique practice, it makes me feel really pleasant and relaxed after doing it. I've just started it, that's why I was kind of forgetting it in between. It's called Falun Gong, and I hope I'm pronouncing it right. So this practice is for those people who are spiritual and who are always exploring. It is said that this practice also builds a protective shield around you, and the negativity cannot enter you that easily. So it's called Falun Gong. If you want to go into the details, I'll show you the book that will help you know the right way to do this practice if you want to go into the details. So this is Falun Gong book, and I'll be leaving the link below in the description box as well. If you want, you can purchase it if you're interested. This practice I started because I got bored with doing all those similar aerobics, you this way, this. So the one best way to resume your health practices is making it fun. Do aerobics sometimes, then other times yoga, still other time you can even learn swimming. Falun Gong is not actually an exercise, but it's kind of a meditation, and it made me feel really pleasant and happy once I started doing it, and so I thought I'm going to share it with you. So now you'll be watching some nutrition tips and health practices for a healthy body, as I am now promoting self-healing. So when your body, mind and soul will be in sync, that's when you'll have a happy life. So today we're going to focus on the body, yeah. So you'll be watching the nutrition tips now, so please watch it. Hello. So before I start I tell you anything further, let me have a drink of water. Right? Now, water. Today's lecture is related to H2O somehow. Right? It's about nutrition and taking care of your body. Now, in the last lecture, you did know about the importance of having a positive mindset. Right. Now mind and body are interconnected. If you believe in self-love, how can you not take care of your body? Right? So when the mind, body and soul will be in sync, that's when you'll be living a quality life, right? So the first thing that you need to do in order to have good health, drink loads and loads of water. Drink this kind of bottles, maybe 3 or 4 bottles of this size, and try have a healthy lifestyle. I'm not telling you to eradicate something from your diet. What people do, what some of the health institutes or some of the gyms and all, they recommend a strict diet. They tell you to leave certain fruits, leave certain vegetables. I think our body needs all of these things in some amount. It's important for our body to receive that nutrition as well. And I don't believe in the timetable that they give you. Eat this at this time, eat this. So we are just focusing on that now I've got to eat this, now I have to eat this, now I have to eat this. Why not to just eat when you're hungry? I don't know, I don't believe in that's what works for me. Find out what works for you. Because I believe you should only eat when you're hungry. Otherwise, you'll be eating after every hour. You'll be eating something or the other. Most of the nutritionists, they tell you eat bananas in the morning, and then after that have a smoothie, and then in the breakfast you have this oatmeal, and then after that, after 2 hours, so you're all the time thinking about food. How are you going to lose weight? So I would say in this way you'll be eating more. In fact, that's what works for me. You see what works for you. I've given a nutrition chart there in my course as well. You can go through it. You can see what works where. I would say eat everything. Just eat in small portions. Don't eat too much altogether. Eat in small portions. That will work wonders because you'll be getting the nutrition of each and everything. Some of the nutritionists, they say don't eat potatoes. But then potatoes are also very important, especially the sweet potatoes. You need to savor your carbs, right? And I would say exercise more in order to digest it. Don't leave anything altogether. That totally depends on the weight that you are having right now and what is important for your nutrition. That's what works for me. That's what I'm telling you. Don't follow anything blindly. No self-help books, no mentor or guide. Don't follow anything religiously at all. Take out some of the ideas and see what works best for you and follow that instead. Right? Now, what I'm going to tell you is, because you have to make your diet interesting. Otherwise, you cannot eat those monotonous food every day. You'll get bored of it. You should always have a cheat day. Sunday make a cheat day where you can eat whatever you want to have. Maybe a pizza, a burger, whatever you feel like. You have just starved your body, and you can just eat all those things that particular day. Enjoy yourself that day so that you're not missing anything. Because what happens is when you starve your body, there comes a day when you're just eating so much that it will affect your body more. The exercises, make it fun. One day you can just go for swimming. Maybe another day you can just learn some exercises from YouTube for arms. Maybe another day you can go for cycling. Maybe some other day you can go and do some yoga. Make it interesting, add variations in the exercise. Another day you can go for running. Make it interesting, because we human beings, we like change, and the more interesting it would be, the more long lasting, our diet plan would go. So please don't stick to a particular pattern. See what works best for you, and don't leave anything altogether. Check out the nutrition chart that I've given. Take care of your body. Why? Because it is very, very important. This body, mind, body and soul should all be in sync in order to have a wonderful life. Right? Thank you and take care.